If your Tesla says that the electrical system backup power is unavailable, it means that there is a problem with the backup power, which is 12-volt battery. So your Tesla has a 12-volt battery like any other car, and this low voltage battery may die sooner than in an internal combustion engine vehicle, because it works more often, so it has more functions than in a usual vehicle. And so once every 3 or 4 years you will need to replace the 12-volt battery. And when you see this message, this exactly tells you that the problem is with the battery. This is the only possible reason for this message. And you can replace this battery on your own. It's not that hard in newer Tesla vehicles, but in older Tesla models, that's quite a pain. You will need to take an entire frontliner out of the car, and so several bolts you will need to unscrew. When you see this message, you can actually drive, but I don't recommend ignoring this issue, because it may lead to the higher consumption of energy. The main battery through the DC-DC converter will try to charge the dead battery all the time and will send power to that battery, and it will lead to higher consumption. And also several functions will not work, like some safety functions will not work, and your wipers may not work, your lights may not work. Actually, it's better to replace the 12-volt battery when you see the pop-up message that the battery needs replacement. And if you see this electrical system backup power is unavailable message, it's like the final call. You need to buy a good 12-volt battery and install it in your Tesla.